here at the final project, Harborview. This thing was so dark and so uninviting when we first picked it up, and I love the way it turned out. We have a nice, beautiful white in here. This accent wall is everything. Check it out. Definitely love this. And we even put, you can't see behind this clock, we even got a place for the TV. You can mount it up there. We have that already situated for the new owners. It is so cute in here. Everything turned out great. It's got a nice big galley kitchen with soft close cabinets. We did all the appliances. A really cute kitchen with the open shelving and the beautiful gold and black sconces. It's just, it turned out so incredibly. And then we always love to have our little tile details. This is actually a gorgeous marble tile, and it feels very luxurious when you're here and in person. It's just a really, really nice, beautiful, beautiful tile. Awesome little mudroom and also laundry area, and it's so cute because it opens right up to this big beautiful backyard, and I love this. This used to be the garage, and it was partially renovated. We couldn't really do anything in here, so we turned this into a bedroom, and it's really great. And this is actually stationed as an office because you can walk right out these doors to the outside. So this actually makes a great guest room. It makes a really awesome office space where you can enter or leave. I don't know if you have clients or something, somebody lives here and have clients that want to come in and out of an office space, that can be done here. So we really love this space because it could act as a bedroom, it could act as a bonus room, and it just adds that extra bedroom. This nice little dining area, and this used to just be so closed off and so dark. The floor was actually caving in here. So this just turned out absolutely stunning. You can sit here and have your dinner. You can look out over the backyard. It is just absolutely beautiful. Never flip when you're picking materials. Sometimes you come across something and it doesn't end up looking exactly the way that you thought it would be. We did buy these sconces, but we needed to get them installed by the time they got here. And to me, it's not my favorite, but I think a lot of people appreciate them, and it gives a nice added elevated look. This is honestly one of my favorite bathrooms just because of this really cute shower niche that's in here. And then you have this just nice matte tile that we did, so it's not bright and shining in your face, and a marble look on the floor. This bathroom is so cute. And so this bathroom is so cute, and it turned out really, really good. I love it. We added all new doors as well. Door and hardware, so everything just feels really, really nice. This is coming into the master here, and this, you can see there's a nice bright room, overlooks the backyard, and you have this really cute spa-like bathroom in here with this beautiful, beautiful hexagon. It's like a matte, marble-y sort of looking tile. We definitely want to go with an elevated feel in here, a spa-ish feel. We still wanted to have just a little bit of funk in here. Initially, this was supposed to be a dark color, so all of this just looked like one piece. There was a little mix-up with the grout, and it ended up coming out a little bit more lines, but it's still a gorgeous tile, and everything turned out so beautiful in here. All right, so this is Harborview, all wrapped up, beautiful. We're on market right now. We've had a bunch of showings, and we're just waiting to see how it goes and who's gonna scoop this little beauty up. But I love it. It's in such a hot area, and honestly, this renovation is just so beautiful, and we love the way that it turned out.